Maths Challenge. Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. In today's video, we are solving 2 minus 2 plus 2 in parentheses divided by 2 raised to the power of 2. When we look at this question, we can see subtraction, parentheses, division and exponent. This tells us that we need to follow the order of operation, and the order of operation we are using today is called PEMDAS. Some country call it BODMAS. Using this PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses, is the highest in priority. So we have to begin with this, the one in bracket. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So we have a new equation which is 2 minus 4 divided by 2 square. Followed by exponent, which is E, something like 2 raised to the power 3 or any number raised to the power of another number. And this is the one we are going to solve next. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 times 2, and that will give us 4. So we have a new equation again, which is 2 minus 4 divided by 4. This M stands for multiplication and D stands for division. They are in the same level. You work from left to right. Working from left to right, we have division here. So we have 4 divided by 4, and then 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. So we have a new equation which is 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.